Welcome to the shop. I'm Clay Baker and this is Motonexus. Today we're going to start a minor restoration project on this assembly off of a 1986 CT110. The main thing that I want to show off today is a new paint product that I've discovered that gives you a 2K finish without ruining the whole can. The product that we're going to be using doesn't have an internal catalyst. Instead, the paint catalyzes with the atmosphere, with the moisture in the air as you spray it. The advantage is you've paid a lot of money for a can of 2K paint, and instead of it going bad in 24 to 48 hours, you can put it on the shelf, just like all these cans behind me, and hold on to it indefinitely. Let's go ahead and disassemble this part and get it ready for paint, and then put it all back together with brand new parts today on Motonexus. All right, let's start by taking off the side stand spring and then the side stand. And we'll use a 17 millimeter wrench and a 14 millimeter socket. Then with a 10 millimeter socket, we'll take off the rubber bumper off the side stand. Okay, now let's get on with the rest of this. We'll take off the scrub plates, and then it's just a 10 millimeter bolt that holds it in place. Then we'll pull the cotter pins out of the foot peg pins, and then remove the foot pegs, and then we'll take off the rubbers. All right, I got lucky. These weren't too hard to remove. All right, we got it all apart. So let's go to the next step and we'll show you how we're going to clean this stuff up. To it. So let's go ahead and start with our biggest part. Get it inside here. And then my medium is walnut shells. Well, that didn't take too long in the blacks box to get these parts pretty cleaned up and ready for paint. We're going to do one more step before I prep the parts for paint. And I'm going to put them into my ultrasonic. And what I use for this is product made by Simple Green. It's the purple stuff called Heavy Duty Cleaner, Simple Green Pro HD. I am not sponsored by them or anybody else except for Motonexus. What I do with it is I put it straight without dilution, and it will take off any of that paint down inside or in these little crevices. This part I might need to, I'll probably need to do in a couple of rounds. So I turn my heat all the way up, turn it all the way to the longest, highest setting, which is 20 minutes on my time. That's all been washed up. Now we're just going to clean with some degreaser. All the parts are looking good. So all the parts are now cleaned up. The next thing we're going to do is put some gloves on and wipe them down with a degreaser. And then here's the product we're going to use. It's called Car Rep. And you can find them at car-rep.com. It is a company in Europe, but they have a US website as well. I was able to buy this on Amazon. They make some clears. I picked up a can of their 2K clear as well. I am not sponsored by Car Rep. I received nothing from them. I paid for this myself, and I just am enamored with the fact that they came up with a technology they call Wise 2K technology. And the difference between this and every other 2K paint that's on the market is that there's no red cap to activate an internal catalyst. This catalyzes with the air, just like a regular can of paint that you would buy at any hardware store. So that gives it an indefinite shelf life. You can keep using it until it's all gone. So the other thing that I want to mention before I start cleaning this up, get this at any auto parts store. It's just Duplicolor grease and wax remover. Any brand of grease and wax remover will work, except do not use anything that's got a solvent like acetone or paint thinner. Anything like that is absolutely a big no-no with these paints. Okay, this one in particular calls that out. We're going to start out with 2 light coats, and per the recommendations of Car Rep, there'll be at least 3 minutes of flash time in between those 2 coats. And then the final 3rd coat will go on wet. So that's a little heavier, but not heavy enough to run. So we'll get a couple of light coats to get coverage, and then we'll put a wet coat on, and then we're gonna let that dry. Now, I'll be able to put this back on the bike in a few hours or even tomorrow, but to get the full chemical and abrasion resistance out of this paint, you need 8 to 10 days for it to sit and cure. All right, so we're going to start with some grease and wax remover. Give this a good liberal pour. Really wipe these down good. We don't want anything that's going to cause the paint to lose adhesion anywhere. Now, once I've gone over a part where I'm like rubbing on it and whatnot, then what I want to do is take a clean section and wipe in one direction. Just keep working it, be patient. All right, now as I wipe these down, I'm using a clean cloth. This is actually fresh out of the washing machine. I'm not going to set them back down on this filthy towel that you see underneath here. So we're going to put them on a clean spot. These parts are ready for the next step of prep, which is going to be to blow them off with a compressor. And then I'll hang them and we'll get on with laying some paint on them. Okay, so it's time to lay some paint onto the parts that we've been prepping for the foot pegs on our CT110. I got my Car Rep 2K paint and everything is cleaned up and hanging. So 2 light misting coats, 3-minute flash in between, followed with a wet coat at the end. So today's project, to finish it up, is not actually necessary, but it's something I want to do to add some extra durability, and so I'm going to use Car Rep's 2K Clear. This is a gloss high gloss clear, and all I want to do is give an extra protective finish because these parts are all underneath the bike. It's the foot peg mounts and the side stand. When you're working with these catalyzed finishes, first of all, make sure you're wearing a respirator, not just a dust mask. And it's a really good idea to be wearing gloves. You just don't want this stuff getting on your skin. Well, welcome back to the shop. We're wrapping up the restoration of the foot pegs on my little Honda CT110. I have to say, for something that came out of a rattle can, I am super impressed. Let me just show you one part, which is the foot peg assembly. and I am thoroughly impressed with the way this came out. The addition of the clear coat over the black is not only more durable, but it just looks great. It probably looks better than it did from the factory. So anyway, highly recommend it. Car Rep 2K black and 2K clear for any of these projects, especially when you know it's a small project and you're going to end up with a lot of extra material left in the can and you don't want it to go to waste. That's the beauty of this product. So Car Rep, if you're out there, we're going to keep using your products. If you want to send us some, we'd love it. Anyway, thank you so much for checking in on this video and following along. If this was helpful to you, if you enjoy these videos, you want me to keep making them, please click the subscribe button, click the like on the video, tell your friends. We're shooting to get to 500 subscribers here before the end of the year. Not sure we're going to make it, but we're going to give it a go. So thank you for tuning in, watching the video. I'm Clay Baker, and this was Motonexus.